Gonna do a plant unboxing. First one I unwrapped. It looks really cool. Getting rinsed. I got some Spanish moss. It's looking good. I'm gonna get the rinse. That's so many. Now they're drained. I'm gonna take one of these lengths of Spanish moss and wrap it around my orchid roots mounted to this hibiscus tree. There it is, wrapped around the roots. Got the other two mosses hung. Now I'm gonna take the rest of the bowl and kind of scatter them about. And here's them all kind of sprawled out. There was my one free prize.